how to do a proper soutenu. So stay tuned. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I am the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I am teaching dancers and teachers to be the best you guys can be. This is ballet for everybody after all. So let's get started. We're going to tackle Soutenu turns. And I think once we learn a few tips, this would be the most fun turns to do in your life ever. Soutenu. And you know what? That didn't sound too snobby. So when you bring it down to earth, it's really good. So here we go. Today we're going to explore the step called soutenu, to sustain. Soutenu. I just like saying it. It's really nice. So you could have that with a little coffee in the morning. But anyway, so when you say soutenu, so it means sustain. So soutenu, right? Or you guys did susu? Okay, so susu is the same thing, a derivative of soutenu. And again, she's sustaining a position, right? So you're gonna go draw in, soutenu, and your hip falls out of the socket. And then we have to put my leg back in. But anyway, so that's soutenu. So let's go and try a plie soutenu and à la seconde. Soutenu. Now this is a practice on quoi, please. This is the way we would practice soutenu. For children, you want to make sure, and you may even want them to face the bar to do this so they can keep their hips square. It's a great exercise to keep right and left side square. Soutenu. Soutenu, right? Soutenu. Soutenu, right? So what you're doing with like this, the kids are like, wow. You could have them do it in the center, but this creates a coordination on right and left side. So you would do that en quoi, right? On right side, and then on the left side, same thing again, right? So then we would go away from the bar, and we would do our soutenus. We can do soutenus en tournant. But for children in the center, again, you would then it would be a little more difficult for children. So when I think about the age group of a child doing this, this would be, I'm gonna say 6, 7, 8-year-olds, we would start with this. Babies, mostly they're gonna just wanna go, sous-sous, relevez your eyes, sous-sous, but you would not want to do a soutenu. The next level would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 soutenu en tournant. So how would you get them to understand that? And the piece of this, the step isn't as difficult as it is a coordination piece. So that's why you have to sort of ease a younger child into this, and then the en tournant once the coordination is in place. So if we were to do a soutenu en tournant, you could then do that with just one hand on the bar at let's say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on up. So let's go soutenu en tournant from à la seconde. So soutenu en tournant. That's right. And then you could do it reverse. Reverse the soutenu en tournant. Right. So what happens in that soutenu en tournant, if you slowed that down, you can understand where the impetus is. Go again, soutenu. Over, okay, and soutenu under. So there's a spot also that has to happen with that. Okay, so this is the pinnacle of soutenus. So the soutenu en tournant done correctly leads up to an advanced professional level, Adriana, soutenuing towards you, and you can see the perfection of this. This all has to do with the coordination of the head, the legs, the arms. And 1. And 2. Perfect. If you're looking to get your problem solved and your questions answered, well, share that below, because we need to help each other. Somebody needs to help me, help you, help you, help me. hit that subscribe button, and see you next time.